Okay.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aiman Ikmal bin Ibrahim. I'm studying in Poly Metro Kuantan, and I'm taking diploma of halal food. So, in front of me, I have a blender and microwave. So, I would like to present to you about the function of this product. And let's see. One, a blender. A blender is a kitchen and laboratory appliance used to mix, puree or emulsify food and other substances. A stationary blender consists of a blender jar with a rotating metal blade at the bottom, powered by an electric motor in the base. Uh, Actually, blender has various kinds such as immersion blender, electric configured juices for to making juice like apple juice, bananas, also pineapple juice, and one type like a smoothie mixer to make a smoothie. And but right now I'm just use electric blender. Okay, and secondly, microwave. Microwave ovens are quiet and efficient because they channel heat energy directly to the molecule inside food by using radiation. Microwave is much like the electromagnetic wave that zap through the air from TV and radio. Even microwaves small size, but microwaves also carry a huge amount of energy. And if you want to know, microwave also used in cell phone that where they carry your voice. And one of the weakness of microwave is that they can damage living cells and also can damage tissues. This is why micro can be harmful to people. Also, why micro are surrounded by strong metal box that do not allow the wave to escape. However, microwaves are perfectly safe, and so don't worry, you can use with safely. And even so, microwave can be so dangerous to everyone. So never fool around with a microwave. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.